This is the Test 8 presentation, and let's get right to it. So question 1 asks, which statement is not true? It's A, sine 20 degrees equals cosine 70 degrees, sine 45 equals cosine 45, C is sine 35 equals cosine 145, or sine 260 equals cosine 190. So to figure this out, we just have to grab a calculator. Got one right here. So for answer choice, the answer choice is C. C is incorrect. And to prove it, to go here, so 35 sine equals 0.5735764, blah 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 blah. And then cosine 145, let's see, 145 cosine equals negative 0.819152, yada yada yada. Those, obviously, this does not equal that. So, which statement is not true? C is not true. Alright. And now you could also go through and calculate all these other ones, but for the sake of time, I won't do that. Let's see. Alright. Triangle ABC is shown. Line M is parallel to AC. So, this is line M parallel to AC. Roberto is proving that line M cuts AB and BC into proportional segments. Here is Roberto's proof. Alright, so, given AC is parallel to M, angle 1, right here, is congruent to angle 4 by the corresponding angle postulate. And these are corresponding angles. If you have two parallel lines and a line cuts through them, these two angles will be congruent. Just as this angle and this angle are congruent, these are called corresponding angles. So this is correct. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 5. Again, angle 3, angle 5, and again, it's two parallel lines cut through by one line, and these are corresponding angles. So, corresponding angle postulate. Now, triangle ABC is congruent to DBE by side-side similarity postulate. But we don't know that for sure. Then 4 is AB over DB equals BC over BE equals AC over DE by proportional parts postulate. Which line shows an error in Roberto's proof? Answer is again 3, or C, line 3. They said this is congruent by side-side similarity postulate. But we don't know that. Because we know that the angles are the same. This angle and this angle, this angle and this angle is the same, and obviously they share angle 2. So it's actually angle postulate, because we don't know the side lengths, so we can't tell you if they're proportional. They very well could be, but they could very well not be at the same time. Alright, so that is the first part of my presentation.